Good morning guys, Hello Baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and right now it's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. So right now I'm taking you outside, and today it's on Sunday. So let's go. Come along with me. Yeah, that's my sister's clothes, wheelbarrow, and right now time is going on. Oh, I just wake up right now. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm going to start. But it's around, I think 7. Yeah, it's around 7:09. So on today's videos are very special, and I'm not working at my mom's construction because we are missing timbers and also steel bar. But the timbers I will get. So when we reach at the rental, no steel bar. Maybe I'll stop there. So even me guys, honestly, I'm trying my best, pushing the house from the foundation up to the rental stage. I'm trying my best. So the reason why being we are going to look for those timbers, it's the house, it's keep going higher, so they want to put supporters and then climb on top, putting blocks. So right now as we speak here, the house goes higher, and my engineer told me you bring around 30 timbers. So when you finish, some courses that are remaining, that one timbers will used for the rental. When I mean rental, it's maybe when you put here timber and this side here, assume these sides we put on other side and also this side, so we tied them and then we put here the steel bar, and then we put the concrete. So this is what we call the pillar of the house. So that one, the only thing remaining there is maybe how we can get the steel bar. And to be honest, when maybe I get $400, I can buy that steel bar. We finish the house completely. At the end of the stage, the house staying there. So we're just working for the next maybe step. And yeah, that's how things they are, So I'll take you there. I think they have been open the construction site, doing the curing of what on the wall, and then from that I'll go that way, because even the machine cut, no, not machine cut guys, the power saw, I'll be here. Good morning. Power saw, I'll be here. The guy with the power saw have already arrived early in the morning, but he went to Border Town to pick gasolino and also some oil. Yeah, it's my evidence on my video. I'm gonna show you right now as we speak here. You see this one here, this is the power saw. You see that one there. So anytime you heard the noise from other side, and I'll take you there. So let me say hello to my mom. I'm telling you guys, last night I sleep like a god, because I just work so hard. I'm here, I have been saying this, looking how people are working, yeah. Even a day like this, I say all right, it's just okay. Wow. Let's show you. The good thing about my African mom, she was doing curing. We're gonna do morning and also evening, every day. Mama, hata hapa hizi kona na zimekauka, na hapa juu Weke maji mingi mama, hapo hujamwagilia maji. Kuna jagi pale. Let me say hello to my mom. Umwage makini. Hey, my mom, she was loving her work. Because even me, I'm trying my best to build, you know, her dream house in our village. Very special. You know. Mama, say hello. Maka mahana mama. Hey, utamaga na. Say hello, ma.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
To Hello Baby.
To Hello Baby.
Okay, mama. Easy joint. You know, unamwagilia yashike. So me just wake up, mom. I found my mama doing curing of water. Baki shike maji hivyo ndio inakuwa ngumu. Nyuma. Mama noleve hano. Unaenda na lines, tarina tofauti kuhomea. So yeah, that's how works go. Na hano marainda ani mama roach hano. Hizi tunu na mwagilia si tofali. Mwita. Mwita. I'm trying to call my brother. Hey bro. Kuja tacho mtu ina mama kumenyemanti. I'm telling my brother to wake up from this house. You know, I have two brothers. I'm the firstborn and the secondborn. He was in school, especially when I'm saying in school, I mean university. And another third brother who was sleeping there. He do examination because education curriculum have been changed, you know. So we have CBC. So by next year, he will be informed too, you know. Hey, joining again. Oh, this year. Kuja Mwita. Atuto mera na utare. Nga mera. Kuja. Kibara. Je, mama ni mwagilia si tofari. Mwagilia hizi. Tuko kibe unasikia vile inavuta ya shh. Oh, back in half.
Sakuhara ikiri so kiri.
Are you?
Tango.
Guys, me, I'm very happy. Very. And I'm so proud of myself. What I did to my mama, I know maybe majority of maybe my age mates, they wanna see what I'm doing. Also, they can do it. If Hello Baby, they can try to make it. Why not them? You know, like my age mates, you know, who we grew with up in our village, maybe sometime watching my videos. Yeah. But I just like, we just work, mama. We work so hard, you know. Eh? Unatabasamu mama. My mama, she was very, you know, grateful and very proud of herself. So me, I was thinking the window could be around 5 feet, like that one there. But they put 4 feet. Just okay. No, there no problem. Mama, itakuwa mwagilia leo asubuhi na jioni. Tena mwagiliwa. Yeah. Mama, saa hii na jioni. Kesho tena wakikuja mwagilie vile wanajenga tena wakienda wamwagilie. I'm telling my mama, wewe Mulami. Mulami. Nakapari mutoma ke. So guys, I was calling somebody passing with the motorbike. So me, I told them they must be, curing morning and also evening until when those people came to work. Mama hakuteka maji until when they came to work on Monday. They were curing morning and evening also. Mama hapo utamwaga maji mengi. Unaona hapo? Hii ni kokoto. Mambe ura homichi line mama. Tunamwaga line, hatumwagi tofali. So this is the pillar. So maybe by Monday they'll put here concrete. I think until level, because here you have the window also. 1, 2, 3. You have the grill here. Here you have the door. Mamuna shanga. Guys, I'm telling my African mom, she was wondering, hey, what's up? This is your house, mama. You just believe. It's your house. You know, when I was demolishing the house, my mama, she was very stressful. Very stressed. Very. She was having a lot of stress. Like, you demolish the house, like mama, she was having a lot of stress. Mama, hapa pulimwagiria ukweli hapa sawa hapa. Hapa. You see here, mama, and here it's very different. Here no curing. So when I demolished the muddy house, mama, she was very stressed. Very, very, very. And I told my mama, you relax. You relax, And I start, measuring the foundation. Mama say, oh, it's too small, the house. I told my mama, even me, I was thinking, when they're starting foundation, I see the house is too small. When you put the foundation this and then do screeding, at the same time I see the house too small. But when we raised up the bricks, man, machine cut this one, same time I call them blocks. Look, very big. And I think this is a standard house. So the timber that we're going to cut it right now, they will put here some blocks, raise up, and then put this stuff here. You see this? Yesterday I bought this in a hardware, but I see it's more expensive. Rather than, buy some tree in a local way in my village here, and then, I split timbers. Look, this one. And this one I bought around 6,000 Kenyan shillings. We have long 14 and 12. Yeah. I see it's very expensive. If maybe you find a good tree, they can maybe give you around 6, like let me say 10 pieces there. But this one around 13 pieces. And my engineer told me you bring 30 pieces. So I'm like only 17 pieces that I'm going to cut it. And the offcuts of those trees that I'm going to cut over there, they will use also, like to join them. Nothing to be waste. We make a gate with an expensive hinges. Look. When the construction is over, we close it. There's a chain plus padlock right here. So man, I want when we cut those, when we split the timbers, one by one it's coming, Construction, may I just raise up my hand. No joke. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next vlog. And actually, I'm heading this way to call my uncle from another family to help me pushing those timbers here. You know, right? Guys, I just picked him from his home right here. Let's go. The power saw guys is on the corner.
Yeah.
You sleep too much.
It's not too much.
So it's a mandatory. Just came to wake up you every day.
No.
Mhm.
I went to the matanga, you know.
The funeral. Yeah, guys, we have the funeral in our village here. We try to mourn a baby.
That's why I have to wake up late.
Pass here.
We can pass here even. This
Yeah.
road there.
So all of these are my family. And guys, we lost baby, grandma to Crowd Joseph, and we mourn a baby. We love her so much. And when I get time at night, I normally go there. You know, at night. But if maybe I'm too, tired, sometimes I didn't go. But I say, may soul rest in peace. We love her too much, but it's a normal life, you know. No. You sleep too much.
It's not too much. I was in funeral.
Asitaweza kusomba mbao leo wewe kweli. Tata. Mbokela. So, tuende hivi wana Mairi Kingo bora.
We, Eriko.
Tuende. Sasa kusoma mbao.
Much. More
Hey,
much.
he sleep too much. Imagine me around 2 p.m. in the morning, very at night, but in the morning, I just wake up.
You wake
Yeah. I only sleep 6 hours.
You
So-
don't work.
I work,
You work.
go around
You work.
pushing the mason.
You work at mine,
Mm.
but not at Mazda.
Najiti. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall go there. The two. Hata kwenda juu. Kwenda juu. So kwenda juu means we cut these trees. Yeah, man, pota. Sorry, machine. Ona Eriki, usitoe masato kubwa. Ya chini sawa yakikuwa kubwa. Mbao safi.
Hii 81 inatoa 81.
Na hii masato watatumia kukanyaga wakitengeneza mavitu zao.
Ani hapa tunakuletea hapa.
Mm?
Mimi sasa kama unaenda ngo mume wana rero. Kwa mori boko morange mume wana boko mori rero ke uni nganda ngere.
Suta ukatie chini kabisa.
Nikuita kazi wewe.
Nganda ngere ngansombe.
Ana kuna panga hapa. I'm telling you guys, tree have been falling down because of noise, but you see the action and everything. Hata itatoa futi 10. Hata ikitoa 12 uone pa itafikia ni sawa tu. Ama hiyo ingine ikitoa
14 feet.
Ai 14 zitakuwa kidogo.
Kwa visage huko.
Si hiyo ingine inaweza toa futi 5. Acha pia mnaona.
14 feet.
You're dealing with feet.
Si meharuriwa hiyo.
Mkono umetegea maya na gesalisa.
Ndio kama angeitoa msaka ilikuwa ndefu.
Ainge nenepe. Unajua alifanya hivyo juu nenepe haraka. Alipetia.
Yeye toka kama mbao 10. Mbao 10.
Mbao 10 mai na toa 20.
Katika 10.
Hii kitu inatoa mbao. Niko nayo hata ile unapitanga kwa kutoronga hapo unaziona.
Ndege chai.
Hiyo.
Iganga taroga mbere tukuchange.
Ndio nitakunyora neha.
Hata tukukumbuka.
Kwa bosi wale wanaona kila siku. Bosi mbona tunakutana ngana unanibe. Hapa mbona kumwe bwana. Bali unaweka kikingi. Sungeacha kwanza kitu.
Pale tutainua pale ujui kiingi hapa ingia.
Tunamokora. Mara hakono.
African man they are struggling to push these trees here.
Let's be ungana. Mwezi baba yo mutibira sisi.
Kitu yendi ona toa ile kitu. Toa ile bako.
Sukuma.
Angalia chini.
Isukuma.
Kwanza basi hapa basi. Twende bahira.
Mkabe njoo hapa niko hivi. Achana na hao.
Ndio hiyo sino. Azo mjamaa tuwekea pale. Anatokea pako akadunga. Hapana tupima. Aya. Mungu litoka na kurwa. Aya twende.
Pushing African
Push.
I'm telling you, you see here?
Push. Once.
No joke. Right here.
Once.
Dunga hapa tu hapa sasa.
Oh, kumbe mtu mwenenda record.
Hey, once.
Karma chuma bunda.
Hapo na makoro pombe.
Hapo hindi machuma yoga na mahindi gari tusiaga.
Yes. So hard baby.
I see.
This
Pande.
Guys, I'm still waiting the guy for the power saw, and probably the power saw gets some issues, hit on the rock, especially that chain, and he went to Border Town to bring another new chain. You see, when we cut these trees and then it fall down, on duration of cutting this stuff here, they didn't knew like these are small stones. You can see the crack right here, so this chain can't work right now. So he tried to sharpening, but nothing happened, nothing changed. So he need to change this chain here, and it's very sharp, very. This one here, it's very sharp, you see. So I'm waiting, and I bought these trees around $40. That's 4,000, close to $35 there. So that's around 4,000 Kenyan shillings. Only this. We didn't put labor money for splitting timbers, you know. But I think this one is much better than going to the hardware, buying more expensive timbers, you know, things like that. You know, me, I see, but I bought this one, you know. So I'm still waiting him, and also the scope that I have here, I don't know where other people run to. and today's on Sunday. Like, people need, to relax, to refresh their minds, yeah. But I mean, it's because of these timbers. Even today, I decided, to to have, enough space today, like to rest and to put my mind together. But because of the timbers, and by tomorrow they're supposed to need timbers, I just work. So what should I do? Look, African stones. Wow. So guys, as you watch these videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you didn't subscribe, watch the videos to the end, and also smash that like, comment on the comment section below. At the same time, don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support your boy, Hello Baby Official. I'm trying, I have my history, man, in my life, from a handman at David Junior's construction, from a handman. You try to imagine, and we grind so hard, and be honest, I have been supportive, in terms of mentorship, I learn slowly. Up to nowadays, I'm still learning, and I'm not perfect, but I'm trying, to improve our standard living in my home, step by step. No pressure, no nothing, no competition. Like I love to do some, changes and movement in my home. Only that, it keep pushing me, like, every day to go hard on my dream. And you guys, you made my dream come to reality. So yeah, that's how things they are. And also, without you, I couldn't maybe stay outside here idle without doing anything. At the end of the day, I come back home, I ask my mom about food. But at least right now, I'm trying, to feed my family. At the same time, my sole subscriber also do support, like my family in terms of basic need. I want to say thank you so much, and may God bless you, each and everybody who's supporting me in other way by watching my videos. So yeah, without you, I'm telling you, even cutting these trees here will be more difficult to me. And also, guys, you mean the world to me. Every day when I move around and I'm trying, like, to think, am I the person who came from the handman to build my mom's dream house, to do, like, everything in my home. It's by God's grace. And also, even right now, I didn't struggle because I have Wi-Fi. If you remember, there is maybe, like, let me say last year and this year, maybe from January to September, January to August, there I was struggling, like, in terms of Wi-Fi, going to people's home, hanging outside while it's night time, uploading the video. But right now, I say, God, thank you, because I have my own Wi-Fi. So 24 hours I will be online, and I'll upload my video anytime. And it's through you guys, you really supporting me, and I see what I'm missing at my home. I do. Me, what I need in my life is how to change my mom's lifestyle, how to improve our environment, how to improve our background, especially our background. I'm trying to deal on that. That one, number one. And then next thing will be follow up, So let's wait these people to be here. I think today I'll take you out, guys, with my motorbike. And also, I need to clean up my bike because it's been a while, close to 1 week. I was busy here, running out, up and down, looking material which are missing, bring to my mom's home, you know, all my mom's construction. Yeah, so me, like, I want to see my mom smile. So when maybe she was going outside there in maybe neighbor's home, you know, in friend's home, and see like a nice house, at least for them, when they came back to my mom's home, at least they can see some you know, changes, you know. I know, like, to be honest, people in my village right now, when I demolish the house, the like, things will be looking shagala bagala, you know. And I know the thoughts of the people in my village here is not my thoughts. They talk, they try to talk shit. Me, my work is to work and go. So maybe from tomorrow the house will be top notch, and then they will wonder. Right now they didn't see what is going on, because yesterday, day one, we raised up the house until this level. So yesterday also, we go each and every room we raised up. It's my evidence on my videos. Kindly go and watch my latest video. You will really understand what I mean. And we came outside, we raised up the wall a little bit. So my engineer told me this wall is going higher. You need to have some timbers, and also those timbers we used for rental. So that's the reason why yesterday I bought, but I see it's more expensive. And man, I try, like, let me try to buy this tree here. I split. When I see like this tree will bring me, like, let me say 14 pieces of timbers, I'll buy like another one. But I see maybe this is more expensive, I'll go to the hardware. So no option on that. But systematically, I'm trying not to think about like how to manage my budget, like not getting lost, you know. When you are building, you try to, you know, to minimize the budget of the workers, the budget of the material, like not like through everything you get lost, you know, you didn't care about it. But me, I just care about my mom's construction. If maybe something is tough for me, more expensive, I say no, let me, you know, relax. When I get mine, I'll buy. But especially, guys, if you're watching these videos, I think on Tuesday the house will be end up, and I'll be remaining with a front porch. I'm supposed to buy some hardcore stones so we can arrange the porch, and it's, you know, it will, you know, like, how am I going to put this, like, it forced me to demolish again the store that you see there where we are keeping cement, so the porch will be reached there. And also inside the compound we have the tank, water tank. We're supposed to fetch water, and we put a tank aside because that porch will reach on that tank, you know. So that's how things they are. When I reach home, I'll show you guys, because I'm inside of the bush. But the good thing, when I speak and I mention things, you understand what I mean. So stay tuned, guys. More videos are coming. You buy a new chain. Sasa sinisha weka. Okay. It's a new chain, guys. See. Ama kuna vitu zingine. See, guys, this is a new chain right here. Then you utanoa. Unanoa? Sasa mbona shape na ni mpya, si inafanya kazi. Kuna vitu hapo. Sifunjwe. Ndio ingia. See, guys, this is a new chain here. Power saw chain. Unaona mpya. Elfu tatu imeenda. Sasa Eriki, mimi nina shida gani jamani? Hapo akibago za balance kidogo. Bana ku balance. Bago za balance kidogo. Hivi unajua kunaendaga na change zangu wewe kweli. Angalia kama ni mwingine. Ngumu change toka kisema kingetoroka. Sasa mbona utoroke? Mfano ukate mtu upate msumari, utasema mimi nikulipe kweli. Msumari? Mwenye mti analipa. Hiyo ndio tunafanyanga, mwenye mti analipa. Hiyo mti mngekuwa na msumari, Maru angelipa. Maru angelipa. So guys, we need to change the new chain. Lakini sasa mimi hizo vitu zingine
hapo tutabalansiana wewe. Mimi kasi na
bei yenyewe umenigonga.
Acha mwisho kugonga.
Mbona unifanya mimi mbona nikatiagi 8 mbona?
8.
Ikifika pengine unipate.
81.
So nikatie mimi ni customer wako.
8188.
Unasikia mzee amesema atanipa mbao za roofing miti ninunue kwake nikate. Ama nataka nje kuleta mtu mwingine.
Hii bei ambayo nakufanyia. Unajua bei ngapi alikusema?
Eric unanigongaga sana.
Bei ngapi alifanyia hii mti?
Bei
ngapi alikufanyia hii mti?
Nifanyia 4000. Sasa unaona ukinifanyia 10 hiyo nilikuwa nasema sijui ngapi. Unaona 10 ni na ambazo zinahitajika 30 na 10 na ngapi? Na 13. Sasa natafuta mbao 17. Na hizo 13 ninako hadi sijazilipia.
Nina mbao nyingine kwa hadi.
Mbona unavivunja?
Hizo mpaka sivunje.
Kwani nyororo ni gani?
Nyororo si mimi ndio ya kukata. Kuna hiki tumba kufunja hizi vitu. Siku 42. Hapo sivunje ndio ingie kwa mtu. Bila hiyo ingia kwa mtu. Hata nilikuwa naambia mtu mwingine akaniambia hata nyororo ningekuja wewe mwenyewe ununue yote, mwambie hapana. Hata ni mtu wa nyumbani. Hiyo itakwenda tuongea tu na yeye. Eti hapana hiyo. Eti hapana. Mungu moja. Hapana ni nzima. Nyororo ni nzima. Si ndio tuko na chania ambao imefanya siku ngapi? Siku 3. Hata Bosila ameniambia namna gani? Hiyo ungemwachia aende mwenyewe kwa duka. Anunue nyororo Bosila kuna mfundi mwingine.
Sasa uniache mimi ndo
nikamwambia huyu hapa
nimekata mti.
Huyo ni mtu wangu. Hata mimi ninunue tutaenda tuongee hiyo kesi na yeye.
Mimi ndo nimekata mti.
Mimi ndio nimekata.
Sasa si wewe ungeangalia maana hapo ulisema kuna mau ya unge kwenda hapo.
Imeumia kwa kasi gani? Kwa kasi yako.
Nani?
Hiyo nyororo mali imeumia kwa kasi yako. Hivyo ndio tunafanyanga.
Oh my. To be honest, Eric said when you know that chain when they cut stones, it's my expensive. It's my expenses. It's my expenses or your expenses?
Your expenses.
Yours. Because you're the one who cutting trees and then when you cut on stones, it's your own problem. Me, I have no money to refund you.
No.
I'm telling you. No. I have money to refund you right now.
No.
Because when you're cutting these trees, you're supposed to be very careful. Me, I give you the work. Je, ningekupa afu niende nyumbani. Ningekupa niende nyumbani. I'm telling him when I give the work and then I go back home waiting the timbers. Me, I have no money to refund you. When you buy your chain, it's your own business.
Hiyo haitembei.
Bonara tinyoro.
Nyororo mpya mura. Hiyo ingefanya.
Guys, I'm telling you the timber is ready. Yeah. Timber is ready. See? Hiyo ni sosa yangu sasa. Yeah, hizo mbili. So you push. Timber is ready. Ona kama umetoa risatu Eric. Umeona? Hapa mwisho maana ni risatu. Sasa wewe hesabu eti futi 12 wewe. Ready. People are pushing. Ndio sosa yangu hii. Sosa yangu wewe. Nataka niona kulia wapi? Wewe. Sasa kulia kwangu sasa. Putting gasolina. Sema shile huago umemix na tuti ndani. Ni risatto moro. Ni risatto.
Kwa sababu unatengeneza unakataa.
Sasa Eric.
Lakini unakataa.
Yeah. Suni kuangulia ukate hapo hivi.
Sasa na kuangulia lakini unakataa kuiandika.
Usiende kuitolea huko. Kaangulia hapo ngumu.
Tuhesabu ile sio futi ambazo zinafika hapo, si ndio?
Eh?
Tuhesabu hizo futi ambazo zinafika huko.
Sasa kuna nigonga baby. Kitu kingine tu nasema ngoja unisaidie. Hiyo hujakata. Ngoja tata.
Hii gani hiyo?
Mtolee hii.
Toa hapo ili mna kumacha kwa juu hapa. Shika moja.
So timbers are ready. Oh.
Eriki, alafu hiyo kisike utakichana chana vibaya.
Hiyo sina nyororo sahihi ya kutania kisike. Frendi wangu achiwe pale.
Asi hata kulipa mafuta unachana mura. Kwani wewe unakataa kazi?
Ukikutuna yote. Tata kweli. Guys, I'm heading home right now, and that's our cow that are grazing there. Oh my god, what I lost. Yeah, that's our cow. I'm telling you, I split timbers, but the guy of the power saw something else more expensive. Rather than I got the hardware or a timber yard, I bought those timbers that are needed. So we are remaining with few, around 5 timbers. That one I said no, let me go to the yard, because people in our village, when they see you holding a camera, they think that maybe you have money, you know, overcharging you. I tried to bargain, but you know, no change. So I decide, let me do this. Let me buy the remaining one. I think 6-1 for 3 pieces, and also 8-1 3 pieces. 6 timbers are enough for me, you know. So let me take the key. I open this site, I count the timbers, you know. That one are more expensive. Hi cow. This is our baby calf here. No. Let me pick the key, I open the site, I count the timbers, and then things went like that. Whew, oh my god. So at this point I'm heading to my mom's construction site. It's within around home. When I'm saying I'm heading there, I mean I walk to my mom's construction site. I hold the key, and I want to count the timbers, because I was been there busy seeing how the power saw cutting those timbers, but I see it's more expensive, and I had to say no, a big no, you know. Even yesterday my mom, you know, prefer buying timber, buying trees and split. It's more expensive. Yeah, let me count them. Yeah, apart from this half stuff, and I wanna count this. You know, the guy with the power saw, he ran with my money. I said, okay, you go, no problem. So there is 6-1. These are 6-1. You know, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3. You know, that's 3. So we have 8-1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Again, 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. These are more expensive rather than this, but no problem, guys. I use only $50 to buy 3 and splitting them, you know. But the crazy thing is, it has some problem here. You see here, look, around 3 timbers, 1, 2, because other side we have another one, but there's no problem on that. You know, for me, I will do my best. So 13 plus, yesterday I bought 13 from a timber yard. When I add 13 plus 1, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That's 22. I'm missing only 8 timbers. That's 22 plus 8, 30 of them. So that's 8. I'll go in the timber yard, I'll buy, you know, rather than the guy sold for me expensive 3. I use the machine cut, the power saw to cut, and it's also more expensive. Give and forget, guys. I don't like to talk too much. Let them go, you know. Sometimes you can walk and then you drop your money without knowing yourself. There's no problem. As long as I'm alive, I will run this project for my mama, you know. And imagine he was my neighbor, you know, old man, sold for me 3. That's expensive, you know. It's because of huge. When you remove the offcuts, and we found some parts that are having some problem, you know. Anyway, give and forget it, you know. So that one that we bought there, it will use for the winter here, you know. Okay. And also let me go and have my breakfast, and apart from that, we shall see what's next. We shall see what's supposed to do. Yeah, when I mean, guys, still buy this D12 for the rental of this house. Actually, they will carry around 30 pieces, D12 like this, and then D10 like this for tightening. You see here, so they will put only 3 steps. So that one, on this house, the most stuff area that I have, it's only on the steel bar, you know. But the rest, I shall see. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from this side of my mama construction. I was taking shower, and at the same time it's raining here and there, so even I left my bike. So let me go and open the site again to see what's going on, you know. Although it's too late, but I will try to make it. White hen, this is for my sister. Hey. Let's see. At this time when it's raining, while I'm not working at my mom's construction, it's good because we are doing curing, you know. But when I was working and rain is coming, sometimes I feel like, oh my God, it's blessing, but people are working, so I don't, you know, I don't feel like when it's raining people stop hanging out. I feel like something else. So remaining with I think 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or somebody stolen my blocks. I don't know. It was 12 lines. Old stock. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So maybe yesterday they were being used this. So actually today's on Sunday, and we never work like in construction, and it's good to give maybe house a chance one day, and then maybe 1 to 2 days we work. But like raising up the house, like you know, like never before. Let's see. So like today I'll sleep earlier because sometimes, you know, I release my videos too late. Oh God. Yeah. The way you see this house, the way they are, you wait, by tomorrow you will see the speed, you know. And I need my brother by tomorrow morning to fetch water, this super drum to be full, and also some the rest of the drums, this 20 liters here. We doesn't need, like, we never need like a lot of water because right now it's raining, and then the soil or sand are warm, you know, and then we use, you know, less water. Yeah, man. Yeah. Let me see whether this can work. I think so. Let me put it here on the other. Like that. But when I bought the trees, when we cut them, I found this place could mess up, you know. So the best way is to do like that. Whew. Guys, do you believe this speed? And also, do you believe this dream house? Me, I think the sitting room or living room, the window could be starting here. But my engineer told me, no, that one is too low. And I realized when you do screeding and flow, maybe it reach and then could be. So, hey, let's see what's going on other side. Even I see my sister. Even I'm try also your friends to have a room, you know, a room to stay. Look at this. Hey. See, I don't want this water to be stuck here, you know. But right now we are working, you know. It's need again to remove the soil, this one to be levelized, and then, you know, we build the foundation, like we cemented the foundation very nice, you know. Okay, and then also this one I need, when by tomorrow people come here, is to remove this soil, maybe to put inside here, you know. Hey, something like a hole here. Hey, or I have a lot of kg when I step somewhere else. Let me put something there. Right there. There is one beam because we created the foundation, you know. So when you are coming from other side, the only thing you see here is a wall. So there's a door here. So by tomorrow, I'm telling you, this speed will be here. We raise up the house until some level, you know. And it's good, you know. Sometimes people ask me, one of my subscribers ask me, why don't you put the wall pass on these blocks here? It's good to ask. Even me, I ask my engineer, because he told me there's no need, and maybe after few months, years, the wall pass, you know, gets spoiled, and then, like, you know, nothing will happen. And the same the following day, I asked the mason, why don't you put the wall pass? Because me, I'm supposed to bring the wall pass. They say there's no need, because we build so many years people's home, and maybe this will never, like, it will never have like tall wall, you know. And I said okay, because we have the rental, and my foundation was, you know, so wide. And sometimes when you put the wall pass, it means your foundation is too neat. But mine, hey, I'm telling you, you imagine from here up to his foundation, and then where block sit is foundation, and then imagine outside also, that line is foundation. When I was constructing the foundation of this house, please, for those people watching my videos, comment on the comment section. I build foundation like never before. It's kind of like, I'm telling you, this foundation for the house, it carry around 9 tippers of stones for the foundation, hardcore stones. Imagine 9. Me, I was calculating 6, but we end up by adding another 3 trips, and it's my evidence on my videos. When I go to pick some hardcore, I do videos, you see them, you know. So now construction. We can't build a house if it doesn't have maybe like money to run your house. You never build, trust me. Even me, I'm trying my best, man, you know. When it's reached at this level, I say, God thank you, and then let's see another step like this one. The house will be, and I'm telling you, by tomorrow neighbors will see up the house from other side, from this angle. Even my mama, no, for us just block. So let me go inside. When you finish this house raising up the wall, when it reach at the rental, remaining with the front porch. So today I'll remember earlier to go and show you where the front porch will reach, you know. And technically, at this particular time, I didn't have what we call hardcore stones. So it's need me, when I finish up raising up the house up to the rental, I'll see to work on that porch. For the front porch could be wider than kitchen porch because of the road, and also kitchen, it doesn't need movement. On this porch here, only maybe 2 persons sitting here or 1 person. And I'll fix here the cable for the charging phones here. Maybe we put the couch here or here. I'll see. We put here maybe couch or here, because here we have the grills, window grill, going up to the height of the rental. And also, I saw on my latest videos, one of the subscribers said, "Hello baby, make sure the kitchen was very like, they've been wide where you can put maybe gas cooker, fridge, and also sinker." So the sink could be here up to this point, you know, maybe this point. Working sinker could be on this corner, and then we're gonna put maybe the fridge could be here, no problem. The fridge could be here on this door here. Fridge could be here, you know. And also maybe microwave, you know. Me, I was thinking to do the like a table for the sink, and then here I will do for the gas cooker, you know, that which have maybe a microwave there. Yeah, this is the store. The store, maybe I don't know whether what we're going to put there. We had my dog. Yeah, and this also I'll put more sockets for electricities, and I know I need each and every place could have some cables. Also on a living room here, I need more sockets. Like here I need more, like 3 of them. 1, 2 there, 3 on the window. And then automatically the screen could be there. Smart TV system. And this point here, it's where we're going to do what we call the installation of the Wi-Fi right here. So if I didn't have maybe electricity in this house, we do installation of the solar panel on this place here. Here we put the battery, and then connection from the solar panel. At least we have what we called enough lights in this house. Man, I love it. I'm telling you, I love it. You know what? This is the wall of Africa. I'm trying to push the wall. Look, very strong, because we use a good mortar, a good ratio. You know, sometimes I put 3:1. When I say 3:1, I mean 3 wheelbarrow, 1 bag of cement. And I reach at this point, I see it's more concrete. I put 4:1. 4 wheelbarrow, 1 bag of cement. And that's how things go. Yeah. I'm imagine a day like this, I'm closing my mom's sites. But other month, or maybe some years back, I was closing people's sites. You know, it's by God's grace, man. I'm struggling to close it here. Okay. So guys, it's so late, and I think it's around maybe 6:30 or 6:40. Sister, come and say hello. I'm telling you, it's 6:01, 18:01. Automatically, that is 6. When I was doing a random, quotation of my mom's dream house, I never indicate steel bar, I never indicate timbers for the rental. When I was doing some things, you never knew this could be happening. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Martha Nyaboro.
Na unamezaga vidonge? Huh? Umepona meno? Yeah, now you have a nice hair. So cute. Okay, tuende nyumbani. So I'm telling my sister she was having a nice hair. You can see now the school have been open. I know maybe other countries, some kids went to school like that. Even in my country, in Nairobi, some kids, some kids goes with hair like that, even some dreadlocks. But in my village here, our teacher says, no, that's nonsense. Remove your hair, cut it to be shorter. And I'm saying maybe in future, my kids could be, doing their lifestyle, their own lifestyle, If they could have dreads, having hair like my sisters, no problem. I said, you need for example, you need my kids to be studying this school or you don't want, You need my kids to be knowledgeable or you don't want. When they said yes, I said, okay, let them to be, But anyway, not now, guys, not now. Now I'm focusing to build my mama house. Yeah, look. So, I'm freezing. So let me go this way, and I will end my videos because I see here we have more lights. I know my mom's house have some history. I was updating you, you never see what's happened. But I do some action. When I was updating you, maybe it's to remove some maybe soil I push, to remove this I push, People wait and then they say, "Tall, hello baby." Now, I think 100% of the people, you are happy for me. And also me, I'm so happy because what I did to my mom, I make my young brother and sister also do what I'm doing. I know it's not easy, but as a young brother, I need to be on front line of my family, showing them here and there, Well, so you see this sand. Imagine we use the sand until that level, and the house have been raised up, And I bought 3 tippers here, good one. But when I was going to Mombasa, the guy blackmailed me 2 lorries, and I used around $150 there because it's 8,000. So the guy blackmailed 2 lorries just over there, and I never use it. I try to use it in foundation. The sand after few minutes starts showing some crack, so I never end up use it. I said give and forget it, let's be like that. And also this soil here that you see around here, we push them from other side, so when we finish the construction we try to make some bricks, so we can also use maybe building the wall, building maybe some places that are needed. So anyway guys, I want to end my video, and I love you guys. Let's see you on tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye.